Welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News Channel. I'm Anna Kasatkina.
And I'm Marina Generalova.
You're watching a combined review of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
So what happened on Forex before the days off?
On Friday, the greenback rate declined in relation to majors.
And what caused the weakening?
First of all, the American dollar was affected by sad statistics on the US industrial production and consumer confidence. Moreover, inflation in China drove the Aussie up, and the euro was supported by signs of the economic revival in the eurozone. The US Consumer Confidence Index held steady at 81.2 points in February, though analysts had predicted it to fall to 80 points. In addition, the US industrial production contracted in January by 0.3% versus the forecasted growth by 0.2%. The reaction of the currency speculators was muted, as they do not think the latest figures will influence Fed's quantitative easing taper. The single European currency hit the level of $1 36.58 cents, having jumped from Thursday's level of $1 and 36.77 cents. The euro rally was sparked by a buoyant Eurozone GDP report, topping expectations. What's more, China's inflation outpaced the forecast, coming in at 2.5% against the projected 2.3%. The Australian dollar thus grew to 90.36 US cents from 89.85 cents previously. It should be mentioned that the Aussie is markedly vulnerable to statistics from China as Australia's key trade partner. And that was all about the latest changes on Forex.
Thank you for the Forex review, Anna.
You're welcome. What was the reaction of commodity investors to the portion of US macroeconomic data?
The oil quote was falling while gold was in high demand. The oil futures were traded in a narrow band on Friday, anyway the quotes closed in the black. The March futures contract closed 0.1% and closed at $100.30 a barrel on NYMEX. Over the week they ticked up by 0.4%, which was the fifth week gain in a row. Oil was sold off after the American industrial production was reported to decrease. On the other hand, the sell-off was restricted by the flat consumer confidence. The Brent contracts for April delivery were up by 0.5% to $109.08 per barrel, and the weekly gain was 0.2%. Meanwhile, the gold futures closed up, and that was the 8th rally straight. By the end of the week, the gold value added 4.4% at the US statistics fueled demand. During trades on COMEX, the April gold contract rose in price by $18.50 or 1.4%. Eventually, the gold quote constituted $1,318.60 per troy ounce. And this is the highest close since October 31st.
Marina, thank you for the overview of the commodity market.
You're welcome, Anna.
You were watching the weekly review of the currency and commodity markets prepared by ИнстаФорекс
and presented to you by me, Marina Generalova,
and me, Anna Kasatkina.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.